This Victorian house in South London has been extensively renovated, turning it from dull and outdated to a vibrant maximalist haven bursting with color, unique designs, and bold statements. Dark gray and green dominate this historic home, with the living room featuring a commanding, moody gray ceiling adorned with beautiful cornicing. At the center, a magnificent, ornate fireplace captures attention and admiration. In this home, a cohesive aesthetic is achieved by incorporating jungle land wallpaper on all walls of the living room, creating a unified look. The distinctive kitchen is crafted from plywood, featuring gold leaf worktops. Above the worktops, shelves are adorned with brass rails, adding to its unique charm. The kitchen dining nook boasts a corner bench upholstered in plush blue velvet, with grade 2 wall paneling and limerence wallpaper adding style and charm. The striking hallway establishes the ambiance for the entire house, seamlessly combining classic features with daring design choices. In the master bedroom, you'll find the consistent, dark gray ceiling seen throughout the house, complemented by the captivating Chameleon Trail wallpaper. The home office boasts a rich, dark green hue, perfectly complementing its minimalistic desk setup. The bathroom is a sanctuary, featuring a clawfoot bath, a vintage vanity, stunning green tiles in the shower, and a charming painted ceiling. The attic bedroom showcases a standout feature wall adorned with the captivating Babylon's wallpaper.